Rastafari is I.
Yes.
I stand Rastafari. Every I stand Rastafari. I and I, Rastafari. Haile Selassie I. Rastafari is sun, moon and star. Rastafari is everywhere you are. Snow, wind, rain. Here comes Rastafari again. Again and again and again and again. Absolving your colonial hurt. Negating your colonial pain. From Rastafari we could never refrain. You ask I, who is Rastafari? Rastafari is colorless. North, south, east, west. Purging away your colonial mess. Indeed, Rastafari is the highest. Rastafari is king of kings. Wood, stone, iron. Rastafari is the conquering lion. You ask I,